What's up, guys? Welcome to this channel. As you can see now, the Safemoon cash has been listed on CoinGecko, and the price is now starts to going huge. Okay, now guys, to sell your Safemoon now is very easy. All you have to do is just to open your pancake swap. That's pancake swap. That's this pancake swap exchange.pancakeswap.finance. Now that's the link here. Okay, all right guys, before I proceed, if you are new to my channel, you can like this video, share with friends, and also subscribe. Take 2 seconds of your time in subscribing to this channel. Is very easy. Take time and subscribe to my channel. Now open your pancake swap and make sure you are connecting here in a smart chain network. Okay, yeah, make sure you're connected to a smart chain network. Okay, make sure you're connected to a smart chain network. Make sure you're connected to a smart chain network. Okay, let's wait for the page to be successfully loaded. It's loading. All right guys, so next you have to do is to click on this select currency here. Select currency, okay, select a currency. Then search for Safemoon cash. Okay, search for Safemoon cash. Safemoon cash. Okay, now the next thing you have to do is to click on this sign here, to change the position of the coin. Okay, so the maximum, if I'm swapping on my Safemoon cash, I'll click on max, and for swapping all of my Safemoon cash, I'll be getting 0.153933 BNB. Okay, so I'll just take profit from my Safemoon cash. That's I'll be taking profit of 0.1 Safemoon cash, sorry, 0.1 BNB. Okay, so I will have to cancel all these remaining digits. I'm taking profit for only 0.1 BNB. Okay, so the estimate Safemoon cash I'm swapping here is just is, let's just say, 703 billion of Safemoon cash. Okay, next you have to click on swap. Confirm swap, accept the price updated, confirm swap, waiting for a confirmation. Dismiss. Click on swap again, confirm swap. Alright, so you have to click on swap again. You have to retry, confirm swap. You can keep retrying. There is a massive selling right now. You can keep retrying. Once you click on swap, you confirm the transaction, and right here your BNB will be on your wallet. There is a massive selling and buying right now. Once you click on swap, confirm your swap, and your BNB will be on your wallet. That's all. Thanks for watching.